Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel and to another video. So guys, this is our soap I started melting in my last video, and this is the outcome of it. Okay, this is it, and yeah, we have it done. So what I'm going to do now is just add a few ingredients to it, then we are done. Okay, so yeah, if it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. To my returnees, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Please do well to like, share with friends and family. Okay, so right now I'm just going to place it on my scale here because I want to add neem juice to this shower gel. Okay, neem juice is very good for the skin, especially for dry skin, and it gives the skin a very smooth texture and also prevent redness. Okay, so I'm just going to measure since we have soap on our spoon, I'm just going to pour it this way. Okay, so I think let me add a bit. So 1 teaspoon was 5 grams. Okay, so this is our soap. Right now what I'm going to add next is my glycerin, and I'm just going in fully. Okay, one. Yeah, because we have how do you call it, we have glycerin. We use glycerin and water. 30% of glycerin, 30 grams of glycerin and 30 grams of distilled water to melt our soap. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my pearl. Okay, I'm adding this pearl to it just to let the soap look very nice. Okay, I needed to stir this, so adding a few drop of our pearl here. Okay. So I just added this pearl just to, so it will give it that shining whitish stuff. Okay, so here guys, so this is our soap is ready to be used, and I'm just going to see our glycerin is still in there. Okay, so guys, our soap is ready. I'm just going to pour it in this container, very well sanitized, and yeah, just to make sure it enters well. Okay, grams. Okay, and yeah, so I'll take you guys to the bathroom, then we test it and see how foamy this shower gel is. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. So guys, I just wet my skin and I want to pour in our, so yeah, here is it. You see how it's lattice. You see so look at it guys. You see how it's lattice, just with the little I poured in my hands. You see how it's lattice. Okay, so yeah, The skin feel very, very, very smooth. Very, very smooth after only one wash, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment and share with friends and family, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye bye.